Is it time to buy or sell QQQ Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 26, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.91. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, and further movements within this pattern can be anticipated. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 0.686% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -9.31% to +4.7%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 33.34% over the next year, with a potential return between 23.85% and 45.9%. This would imply a price range of $588.72 to $693.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, "Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session." The QQ ETF price decreased by nearly 1% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, falling from $480 to $475.34. During the trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.51%, ranging from a low of $473.24 to a high of $480.38. Notably, the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, with an increase of 5.31% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be interpreted as a positive signal, as volume typically follows the ETF. On that day, trading volume fell by 9 million shares, resulting in a total of 27 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.73 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 5.60%, or $28.18, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Exchange-Traded Fund highlight a significant rebound in the technology sector. Following a period of slumps in late July and early August, the Nasdaq 100 index has surged by 5.47%, signaling renewed investor confidence. This momentum is further reinforced by a power inflow signal, indicating heightened trading activity, with QQQ shares rising by 1.27% and hitting their intraday high at market close. The easing risk premium of QQQ relative to risk-free rates suggests more favorable market conditions, allowing the potential for a soft landing in the macroeconomic landscape. Such a scenario is likely to result in greater capital inflows and broader benefits for technology-focused funds, positioning QQQ as an attractive option for growth investors. Additionally, prominent investors are showing interest in QQQ, as high-profile figures such as Ken Griffin have significantly increased their stakes in technology-related exchange-traded funds. This strong backing can instill further confidence among retail and institutional investors alike, potentially driving prices upwards in both the short and long term. Furthermore, QQQ is recognized as a leading vehicle for exposure to top-performing technology and artificial intelligence stocks, providing investors the opportunity for solid long-term returns. As these trends continue, QQQ could emerge as a preferred choice for those looking to capitalize on the ongoing technology boom. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $478.46. Conversely, if there is a decline, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at around $470.67. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and so far, the ETF has decreased by 1.48%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume tends to align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 191 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. Should this be broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This fund exhibits average daily movements, and with favorable trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated $7.14 between its high and low, which equates to 1.51%. Throughout the past week, the fund has reflected a daily average volatility of 1.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a lack of confidence in the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $479.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at $448.75. Should this support level hold, it may present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss in place. Is the QQQ ETF a wise investment choice? The QQ ETF shows several concerning indicators, leading us to believe that its performance is likely to remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate that QQQ will open down by 98 cents, starting at a price of $476.32. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.